Ever stared at your photos and thought, why does this look like a grainy masterpiece of static? Today, we're diving into Lightroom to tackle that pesky high ISO nose hidden and make your images shine, not shimmer with grain. First things first, make your way to the Develop module and find the Detail panel. Within the Nose Reduction section, you'll see the Luminance slider. This is your primary weapon against that gritty look. Gently drag it to the right. You'll start to see that graininess smooth out. Now, to preserve those crucial details that the Luminance slider might have softened, subtly adjust the Detail slider right below it. This helps bring back some of that sharpness. Similarly, the Contrast slider here can help add a little punch back into your image, making sure it doesn't look too flat after nose reduction. If your image has those annoying splotches of color nose, often seen as green or magenta speckles, head to the color slider right above Luminance and give that a gentle nudge to the right until those rainbow artifacts disappear. Remember, it's a delicate balance. Too much nose reduction and your image can look plasticky. Too little and the nose persists. Play around until you find that sweet spot, and your high ISO shots will thank you. And there you have it. A quick and effective way to banish high ISO nose in Lightroom. Go forth and shoot with confidence, knowing your images will be crisp and clean.